How to transfer Outlook contacts to Gmail. If you want to transfer your Outlook contacts to your Gmail account, this video will walk you through the complete process step by step. So let's get started. First, open your Outlook application and go to the File tab. From there, select the Open and Export menu, and then click on the Import/Export option. In the Import and Export wizard, choose Export to a file and click Next. Then select comma-separated values, CSV, and click Next again. Now select the Contacts folder and click Next. Click on the Browse button, choose the location where you want to save the CSV file, and click OK. After that, click Next. At this stage, you can map your contact fields if needed. To do this, click on Map Custom Fields. Here, you can manually match the fields or simply click Default Map to apply the default mapping. Once done, click OK and then click Finish. Outlook will now export your contacts, and the CSV file will be created in just a few moments. Once the export is complete, open your Chrome browser and make sure you are signed in to the Gmail account where you want to import the contacts. Click on the Google Apps icon, scroll down, and select Contacts. On the Google Contacts page, click on the Import option from the left sidebar. Then click Select File, choose the CSV file that we exported earlier, and click Open. You will see the file uploaded here. Now, simply click Import to begin the process. Depending on the file size, it may take a few moments to complete. You can see that all the contacts are now available here. Let's open Gmail. On the right sidebar, click on the Contacts icon, and here you can see all the imported contacts appear in the list. Now, if you want to send an email, simply click on any contact, click on the Mail button, write your message, and then click Send. The email will be sent directly to that contact. And that's how you can easily transfer your Outlook contacts to your Gmail account and continue communicating with your Outlook contacts from your Gmail account.